Did you know that mushrooms are a powerhouse of health benefits? Welcome to a world where fungi reign supreme, yielding an array of phenomenal health benefits. These humble, earthy delights are chock full of immune-boosting properties, brimming with antioxidants, and offer a rich nutrient profile. From shiitake to maitake, each type of mushroom holds unique health-enhancing properties. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Now, let's dive deeper into these benefits and learn how you can incorporate them into your diet. From immune-boosting to gut health and even anti-cancer properties, mushrooms offer a multitude of health benefits. Let's delve into these health wonders. Imagine having a personal bodyguard within your system. That's what mushrooms do for your immunity. They're rich in beta-glucans, polysaccharides that fortify our immune function and help fend off infections. But that's not all. Mushrooms are also packed with antioxidants such as selenium. These act as the body's little soldiers, protecting cells from damage and reducing inflammation. Did you know that some mushrooms are a natural source of vitamin D? Varieties like shiitake and maitake are rich in this essential nutrient, known for promoting bone health, supporting immune function, and regulating mood. When it comes to gut health, mushrooms are your gut's best friend. They're prebiotic foods that foster the growth of beneficial bacteria, promoting healthy digestion and overall gut wellness. If you're watching your weight, mushrooms are a perfect choice. They are low in calories but high in nutrients, an ideal addition to weight management diets. Speaking of heart health, the fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in mushrooms contribute to maintaining a healthy heart by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood vessel function. Certain mushrooms like reishi and chaga are believed to contain compounds that may inhibit tumor growth, offering potential anti-cancer effects. Mushrooms like lion's mane may support brain health by promoting nerve growth and cognitive function. Need an energy boost? Mushrooms are a natural source of B vitamins, vital for energy production and overall vitality. Finally, the antioxidants in mushrooms, particularly ergothioneine, help protect skin cells from damage and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. With such a wide range of benefits, it's clear that mushrooms are a nutritional powerhouse. Now that you know the amazing health benefits of mushrooms, how can you incorporate them into your diet? Well, mushrooms are incredibly versatile, and there are countless delicious ways to add them to your meals. Consider using them as a main ingredient in a hearty mushroom risotto, or try stuffing them with a blend of your favorite spices and veggies for a healthy snack. How about a comforting bowl of mushroom soup, or a vibrant mushroom stir-fry? The possibilities are endless. And for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet, mushrooms are a wonderful meat substitute. Meaty texture and umami flavor can enhance any dish, making it feel heartier and more satisfying. Plus, they're packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a nutritious choice for any diet. Remember, the key to reaping the health benefits of mushrooms is to incorporate them into your diet regularly. So why not start today?